Learn furniture names with picture. Ceiling fan, deck chair. Task chair, side table. Bookshelf, dining table. Bunk bed, bed. Wooden chair, sleeper chair. Sofa chair, fawn. Baby wooden cradle, desk lamp. Bean bag chair, wardrobe. Plastic chair, mirror. Couch, swing. Plastic stool, wooden stool. Table lamp, stoller. Telephone, chest coffer. Table fan, clothes rack. Office desk, refrigerator. Sink, chandelier. Air conditioner, grandfather clock. Latrine, book table. Bench, rocking chair. Shoe rack, storage locker. Single bed, area rug. Dressing table, picture frames.